Ever look at Venus shimmering in the night sky and wonder what it's really like? We call it Earth's twin, but it's more like an evil twin, a scorching hot world with a crushing atmosphere. But what if I told you that billions of years ago, Venus might have been a paradise, a beautiful blue marble just like Earth, covered in vast oceans? It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But a growing body of evidence suggests it's true. Early in its life, Venus was in the Sun's habitable zone, that sweet spot where liquid water can exist. So, what happened? Where did all that water go? The story of Venus's missing oceans is one of the greatest mysteries in our solar system, a cosmic detective story with a planet-sized crime scene. The prime suspect is our very own Sun. As the Sun grew hotter and brighter over billions of years, it began to bake Venus. The temperature climbed, and the oceans started to boil. Imagine an entire planet's worth of water slowly turning into steam, rising to form a thick, humid blanket in the atmosphere. This massive amount of water vapor created a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping more and more heat, making the planet even hotter in a vicious cycle. This part of the story, most scientists agree on, but here's where the plot thickens. That water vapor should have been broken apart by the sun's intense ultraviolet radiation. UV rays are powerful enough to split water molecules, H2O, into their basic components, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen, being the lightest element in the universe, should have just floated away, escaping into space forever. The oxygen would have been left behind, likely getting locked into the planet's rocks. And this is the core of the mystery. For all that water to disappear, a colossal amount of hydrogen had to escape Venus's gravity. The problem is, our current models of planetary atmospheres can't explain how it could have happened so quickly. Was there a mechanism we don't know about that supercharged this process? Could the young sun have been more violent than we thought, blasting away the atmosphere with powerful solar winds? Some new theories point to a specific chemical reaction involving a molecule called HCO. Scientists think this molecule, present in Venus's upper atmosphere, might have been the key culprit. It could have acted like an express elevator, helping hydrogen atoms escape into space much faster than we previously imagined. But this is still just a theory, an exciting clue in a much larger puzzle. Solving this mystery isn't just about understanding Venus. It's about understanding our own planet's future and the fate of countless other worlds across the galaxy. By figuring out why Venus turned into a planetary inferno, we learn more about what makes Earth so special and how to protect its precious blue oceans. What was the tipping point for Venus? And could something similar ever happen here? These are the questions that drive scientists to keep looking up, searching for answers in the clouds of our long-lost twin. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. See you next time.